dazzling design devotees. Today, we're diving into a visual symphony, a spectacular journey through 13 living rooms that will make your eyes twinkle with delight. Let's waltz through the whispers of gray and white, shall we? This isn't just a color palette. It's a sophisticated canvas where shadows mingle with light, creating a ballet of shades that dance around the room. Grays and whites aren't just colors here. They're the silent storytellers of our space, crafting a narrative of elegance and grace. The marble beneath the feet is like a polished stage, reflecting every glint of light, enhancing the aerial waltz of this room's ballet. It's a high-shine haiku to the very essence of chic. But what's luxury without a sprinkle of sparkle? Copper and brass tones dot the space like stars in an urban night sky, lending their warm glow to the coolness of our grayscale sonnet. These are not just metallic accents, they're the golden punctuation marks in our living room's love letter to luxury. Under a canopy of cove lighting that does more than just illuminate. It elevates. Each light fixture is a beacon, drawing us into a warm embrace, while the sheer curtains filter daylight into a soft serenade of serenity. We've journeyed through the splendor of these living spaces, it's your turn to be the maestro of your own domain. Take the inspiration from these balletic spaces and begin to craft your narrative. Whether it's a touch of gray that whispers tranquility or a dash of metallic glimmer that shouts opulence, remember that your living room can be a testament to your taste and a reflection of your